high definition. 10 minutes of non-stop news. And your weather authority hour-by-hour forecast. The people you know, the news you trust. This is Channel 6 News, live at 5.
But up next, growing concerns about an outbreak of whooping cough. This is Channel 6 News, live at 5.
Channel 6 News, live at 5, continues with today's Family Healthcast.
2012 was America's worst year for whooping cough in more than 6 decades. Now a new strain has been discovered that may be resistant to the vaccine. The strain was first discovered in France, but a dozen cases have been reported right here in the States. Dr. Kotula at Methodist Physicians Clinic says ages 10 to 20 are most at risk, but everyone should be vaccinated. Last year, the Centers for Disease Control reported over 41,000 cases of whooping cough, including 18 deaths.